Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Solutions. In today's video, we will see how to pin any folder to the taskbar. So we will go to this PC, users, and then your profile name, documents. This is the folder that we want to create a shortcut for. So we will right click on documents folder, choose show more options and create shortcut. Now we will send this shortcut to the desktop. Okay, we will right click on the shortcut and send this shortcut to the desktop. For that we have to click on show more options and then send to and then desktop create shortcut. If we go to desktop, we can see the documents folder over there. And then we will right click on it again and click on show more options, click on properties and type in Explorer.exe in the starting of this target address. So we will type in explorer.exe and space. Click on apply, click on OK, and now we will right click again, click on show more options again and choose pin to taskbar. So the target path is showing right. This is what we needed. For that we need to right click on document shortcut, click on show more options and then choose pin to taskbar option. You can see that documents folder has been pinned to the taskbar on Windows 11. Thank you.